Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Today I have the third in my series, A Touch of Gray. And I'll be using this green gray. It's mainly this green gray by Liquitex Basics, but I added a whole bunch of other colors to get this shade. I added a little pearl metallic, space gray, golden pearl white. I added a little powder blue color, so it's a lot of mixture, but it's really pretty. So that's going to be my base. The other colors I'm going to use are Folk Art Purple Flash. I have this powder blue that's just a custom mix. I have Pebeo Very Blue Iridescent. I have Fairy Tale Blue, which I have a little mixed up in a cup. And this is like a color shift, and this is by Arteza. I have some Rose Quartz, also mixed up in a little cup. That is Modern Masters. I also have some, I'm not going to use this one, never mind. What else? Some gray purple. And this is Master's Touch. And then my 24 karat gold. And I'm going to use some Art Mine by some Phthalo Green. So there's a lot of colors in this, but I want it. I'm going to do a swipe, but I'm going to go around a little, so it's not going to be as like most of my swipes are like the botanical swipes. This is going to be a little different, so I'm going to move it around a little bit on the canvas, and I am going to swipe with my Floetrol mixture of 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. All right, so sit back, enjoy the video. I'll play some music, and I'll catch you later.
Do you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project? We're both fixer-uppers, just waiting to crumble. If we search the pieces, would we be bitter? You ever wonder? You ever wonder? And you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project? We're both fixer-uppers, just waiting to crumble. If we search the pieces, would we be bitter, humble? It's not